Hey everyone! It was actually faster than expected, but Midjourney has finally hidden away the v8 and replaced it with 8.1 with significantly better aesthetics. It's mostly about speed and stability, and the aesthetic should be reminiscent of v7. The biggest win, according to Midjourney, is the cost. HD mode is now 3 times faster and 3 times cheaper, so they've actually made it the default setting. Standard resolution got a boost too. It's now 50% faster, roughly matching the speed of the old v7 draft mode. There is also a new Run as HD button to quickly upscale your standard generations. A few fan favourites are back as well. Image prompts and weights are live again, and they've updated the Describe command to give more detailed prompts that actually fit the v8 style. The team is moving on to v8 upscalers next, followed by dedicated models for in-painting and out-painting. And as a testament to what a failure v8 was, they'll likely retire it in a few weeks. I ran a few tests with the new 8.1 to see how it behaves. This time I remembered to include the seed number as well, so the tests are a little bit more consistent. I have a feeling that Midjourney has hidden the toggle button for personalization, I guess to make sure people would definitely be disappointed with the default model results. It's been set on by default on the alpha site, and I had to go to the personalization page to find the option to toggle it off. So everything tested is with the base model, without personalization, and all settings at their default values, unless specified otherwise in the prompts themselves. The first test I did was with the prompt length. I started out with just one word, dragon. I gradually increased the word count to have more and more words. To be honest, I think the really short prompts are back again. I liked the shorter prompts more than I did the longer ones for this particular test. For some reason, the cinematic lighting turned the images kind of into bad CGI or video game graphics. The second test was all about checking out the stylization effects. I took one prompt, goddess made of liquid chrome and flowing silk, floating in void iridescent colours, and only changed the stylization number from 0 to 1000, with incremental breakpoints. I guess everything above 100 looks quite similar, with only minor enhancements. But to be honest, even the 0 value didn't look too bad. Next up, Midjourney's target improvement for text. I tried all kinds of different prompts for text, and with varying lengths as well. The shorter ones look pretty good actually, but the longer ones have varying results. Not all of the images of a single grid look perfect, but I guess for Midjourney, it's a leap from not getting even single words correct most of the time. So if that is our baseline, getting even some words right is already an improvement. There is still some ways to go to improve this, so it would always be perfect. I also took a look at some completely random prompts with completely random SREF codes. I didn't take really any of my favourites for testing, but I do like the results of most of them. So we can safely say that SREF codes are back and are a really efficient way of completely transforming the look of your images without using extra words to describe the style. Then I also tried out many different kinds of prompts, different subject matter, different styles, and most importantly, I also tried to include looks that would not be photographic by default. I think they turned out quite well. Photographic still shines, but anything not photographic now looks entirely different than just a few days ago when I tested the non-photographic looking prompts with V8. We don't see any edges, we see nice looking styles, we see interesting concepts, and the images actually look quite nice, no matter what you prompt. As my final prompt, I tried to go with some ugly and disgusting prompts, to see what happens with those. But I guess even they turned out pretty interesting, and often not as ugly as they were supposed to be. So Midjourney definitely has a pretty filter now, even for the default model. So, my conclusions for version 8.1 are: shorter prompts work again. No need to push up the stylize value unless you want to. Just the baseline stylize 100 works well too. You are much more likely to see nicer looking images. No frames or photos of paintings in sight. And images finally look pretty again, no matter what you prompt. Let me know what you think about v8.1. Did Midjourney succeed in saving the legacy of V8, or are you still disappointed and have started using other image models instead? Comment section is always open for discussions on the matter. And leave a like if you have enjoyed this video. I certainly have enjoyed having you here checking out my test results. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue prompting.